So here's a story. Hey boys, it's your guy. I'm kicking off 2020 correctly by fucking off for a weekend. Join me, Chris, the man whose wife left him after discovering my ultimate sexual fantasy was to eat 100 pounds of ribs in one sitting. She took the cat too, bitch. My god, Barcelona is beautiful. It's a city that's so easy to get lost in, and I just didn't mind. I could wander the back streets for days, with one hand protecting my wallet and the other hand protecting my dignity, of course. When I was tired of getting lost, I joined a walking tour and saw some amazing architecture. The best, however, was to be found beneath the scars of the Civil War. This fountain and courtyard you will no doubt recognise, as it was the scene for the seminal classic music video My Immortal by Evanescence. In the interest of preventing copyright claims, I shall play a sample for you. And these wounds just don't seem to heal. This pain is just too real. The thumbers of the time cannot erase. We toured the fruits of Antoni Gaudi's labours, a surreal architect, most famous for his work on the Basilica della Sagrada Familia, a towering cathedral that has been in construction since 1882. Yes, that's right, in one way or another, they've been building this for 140 years. Think about what we've been through in that time, as a species. This cathedral has seen it all. The next day, I took another tour to the mountain monastery of Montserrat. God, we don't get mountains like that in Norfolk. After the tour, we were taken to this local restaurant in a national park. Every morsel of food, down to the olive oil in the bottles, was grown on premises, and honestly, it's one of the best restaurants I've ever been to. The best part was this Catalan bread. You have some fresh toast, a juicy tomato, rub the garlic on the toast, smush that tomato, add salt and a little bit of olive oil to taste. I've been back for 6 weeks now, and I've had this almost every other day. And I'm not even that keen on tomatoes.
It's so good.
And you cry, I wipe away